I bought this motion detecting driveway alert system. The units are installed now, and we'll take you outside to show you that in a minute. Bought this at Menards for $25. Here's some information on the back of the package. Detection range is 20 feet or 6 meters, 40-degree angle. The receiver works up to 300 feet, 90 meters. Detector uses a 9-volt battery, and the receiver is 3 AA batteries. So let's go outside and take a look at the units. Okay, we're out in my front yard now. The detector is mounted there on the pole on the driveway. The receiver is across the yard. I'm just seeing how far it'll work. I have it sitting on the doorknob of my shed over there. And that is 125 feet distance. So I'm going to start approaching this sensor. See if it'll get me here. Yep. You can hear it. It's pretty loud. You can set the receiver sound to be a low level too, because you don't want it blaring in your house. You got me again. It resets every 13 to 15 seconds, I think. So when you come in my driveway here, you have to come in a distance, and it's kind of hidden behind the pole. But once you pass it, you trigger it. And when it triggers, the little light will come on as well. It's pretty dim, but it'll come on, and then it'll set off the alarm over there. So let's try something. It's triggering on me, but I'm going to walk over that way, see if it gets me. Wait till this car goes by so you can hear it. So if somebody gets out of their car and walks this way like a delivery person, it got me. It got me already. So yeah, I'm a pretty good distance. At least 20 feet. So that's good. So it's going to keep triggering on me here since I'm in its field. So I'm going to move out of the way here. So yeah, I'm happy so far. I'll use this thing for a few months and come back with a update on it. Make sure it doesn't suck batteries down too quick or quit working or the range changes or something like that. But yeah, if it keeps working like this, I'm pretty happy with it. Here's the receiver unit up close. So it has the speaker and a little red LED that flashes when it detects something. And you can turn it off if you don't want to hear it. And like I said, it has a low and high mode. Definitely don't want it on high normally because it's quite loud. So that's it for the review of this driveway monitor. Thanks for watching.